One of the main SMC solutions for the mining industry is the application for the concentrated plant, and more specifically, the focus on the flotation process. We present the Air Servo Cylinder series, the IN-777. It acts as one of the main components for level control in a flotation cell through the actuator, whose function is the proportional opening and closing of the dart-type discharge valve. The Air Servo Cylinder series IN-777 is a modern and compact piece of equipment. Its high precision, self-calibration, robustness, simplicity, and compact components such as the control card, valve cover, and servo valve make the IN-777 ideal for fine control applications. Advantages include that it does not require mechanical feedback. It is compact and easy to maintain. It offers accuracy and repeatability of 0.5 mm. It has electronic feedback of 4 to 20 milliamps and offers IP67 protection degree alarm function by self-diagnosis, and that it saves electrical and pneumatic energy. Its main components are the control card, alarm panel, valve cover, cylinder, cylinder rod, connection ports, multi-pin electrical connector, and switch cover. Let's see the function of the system's alarms. Display with 5 LED indicators that keep us informed. Power LED. On will indicate that the supply voltage is adequate, or will flash in case of low voltage at about 10%. It will turn off if the voltage is insufficient. CTR LED. On will indicate that the control assembly is operational, or will flash in case of calibration error. Will turn off if the control is inactive. CYL LED. Off indicates that the sensor is operating, or flashes slowly in red if there is a bad sensor connection. Rapid flashing in red will indicate error in internal position sensor signal. A constant red light will indicate an overcurrent on the sensor, or that it needs to be replaced. VAL LED. Off indicates that the servo valves are operating normally. Slow flashing in red will indicate an error in servo valve connection. A constant red light will indicate an overload in servo valve or e-stop valve. RF LED, or system friction. When turned off, it will indicate that there is no friction on the cylinder rod. When it is on, it will alert about the existence of friction in the cylinder rod. The IN-777 Air Servo Cylinder is configurable with a dip switch panel, and the following parameters can be varied. It is possible to regulate the speed in 9 levels. The slowest initial level is 0. Let's look at the cylinder extension speed in 0. This function is ideal to fine-tune the speed of operation to the plant dynamics. Operating at level 4, the increase in speed is observed both when extending and when retracting the actuator. Now operating at maximum speed. The significant increase in speed is observed when extending and retracting the actuator. The IN-777 also has security functions against control signal losses. This is configured through a panel of dip switches for configuration. The dip switch configures whether the action is direct or reverse. With dip switch 1 in off, we will have a direct operation. That is, 4 mA to retract and 20 mA to extend. With dip switch 1 in on, we will have an inverse operation. That is, 20 mA to retract and 4 mA to extend. In addition, we have the possibility to configure safe position in case of failure before loss of control signal. For example, retract in case of signal failure, or easily configure that the cylinder extends in case of loss of signal. It is also possible to maintain the last position. In case of failure in the control signal, the SMC IN-777 is the perfect complement to optimize level control loops. At SMC Corporation, we are always designing efficient solutions in industrial automation. SMC, your partner in automation.